Alrighty, my friends, working it. We're having Hello and welcome aboard, folks. My name is Jose and I'll be your captain and storyteller today aboard the Canal Palace. As we get started, for your safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please supervise your children. We don't want our story today any unexpected turns. A friendly reminder, my friends, unless it's water, make sure food and beverages are safely stowed and sealed away. Now, my friends, many of us travel to enchanted places by turning pages, books, going down rabbit holes, or of course, with the help of a little pixie dust. Well, in this case, we're actually having help from our friend Monstro. Do not be alarmed, he knows why he's feeding us, just like Pinocchio and Geppetto. He'll lock us back up into the Storybook land, which is of course a very same place like magical stories come to life. Like many Greek stories of my friends, this will start with once upon a time. On our left, just around the bend, we'll see the big bad wolf and their big bad king. Then you peering across the way onto the three little pigs, and then three little houses. With one house made of straw and hay, second 6 on twigs, and a third made of 100% guaranteed wolf-proof stone and bricks. As our story takes a strange turn, my friends, we find ourselves in a quaint little English village. In our same one golden afternoon, Alice chased a white rabbit down the rabbit hole off to Wonderland. And well, things only got curiouser and curiouser from there. Storybook Land goes home to many inspirational places like London Park, the very same where one fateful night, Peter Pan and the Darling children first set fire off to Neverland. And of course, Neverland is the very same place in which Peter Pan himself, as well as John, Wendy, and Michael Darling, would never ever have to grow up again. Straight ahead of my friends, we see Agrabah, the city of magic and enchantment, the very same place, of course, in which a street running Aladdin fell in love with Princess Jasmine. Things power of true love and the help of a genie, though, they remain very dear to this day. Just on top of the silver palace. Right overhead, my friends, we see those sparkling golden archways. The very same archways, of course, in which Princess Jasmine and Prince Aladdin flew over ways, under ways, and sideways on their magic carpet. Apart from magic carpet and a boat, though, another great way to travel is the circuit train. As you might see other long sides, over mountains, some tunnels, or maybe just along the very same station itself. Casey Jr. likes to just steam on by. Now, yes, while some stories may take place at night, others will have their moments in the dark as well. As they make a way into the Cave of Wonders, this very same cave houses the genie is golden. St. Genial granted Caesar just 3 wishes. Let's all go ahead and take at least this one and see what and where it comes true. Now, yes, while some stories may have us one find true love, others may wish for safety, like Snow White when she wished to be the queen. Thanks all for the 7 dwarfs, we found the safety of the cottage off to our right. You can still hear the much water work in life. Sure, left though atop that hill, we'll see Cinderella in Prince Castle. The very same where one fateful night at the strike of midnight, Cinderella had to leave, but not before her carriage started turning back into a pumpkin, which you can still see just on top, on that very same road, from that very same night, headed back from that very same castle. And my friends, yes, well, some stories like Cinderella's may have us want to find true love, and others like Snow White may have us wish for safety. Some stories may have us wish for our restful days. On our left, we'll see the quilted flower path, the very same that was inspired by the 1933 silly symphony cartoon Lullaby Land. Also, of course, the part thinks that Tinkerbell and her magic pixie dust, flowers will never ever have to grow up. Growing up, though, every year on her birthday, Rapunzel hops on a load of lantern. Every year she goes on an opera. She goes to the every year Mother Wanda calls her face. Why? Well, who knows? Only Mother knows the best. Further up ahead, though, on our left, we'll also see Toad Manor. Not just by the witches' widows, which uses the same remedies to this oysters, toads, mole, and rats. Unfortunately, though, folks, it seems Shade Patio Swim itself, however, isn't quite home right now. As he's most likely to stop at a wild car ride, no way particular.
Okay, get up. Get up.
Further along our path, folks, we'll also see Airedale right underneath those frozen peaks. Home to sisters Anna and Elsa. After having Elsa let go, Anna can once again ask her sister if she wants to build a snowman. But friends, it doesn't even have to be a snowman. Straight ahead, though, we see Geppetto's Alpine Village. The very same where one fateful night, Geppetto wished upon a star. Next stop, the Blue Fairy, and some wishful thinking, his wish came true. And the little Papa Pinocchio became a real little boy. Now, my friends, similar to how Geppetto made his wish, the Little Mermaid Ariel made hers as well. Wished away her life from under the sea for there of a single night. Now lives as part of our world with Prince Eric and their palace power to our right. To our left, though, in the back of that waterfall, we'll see Atlantic Gap, the very same place of this area. That'll quickly return my friends to the as we're approaching the top, please watch those hands, arms, and fingers, making sure they stay inside the boat. So once again, thank you for joining us, and we hope the rest of your stay here at Disneyland is as magical as it has been thus far. Please remain fully seated. We will all be standing up together momentarily to promote whale balance, so no one has to go under the sea. Alrighty, my friends, once again, remain fully seated. We will all be standing up together for the count of 3. Try to keep our boat whale balance. Remain fully seated.